It's Mindy. Welcome to today's video. As you can tell, it's a little different. We have some things to chat about before I show you this painting. First of all, let's talk about why it's like this. Well, it's like this because Mindy recorded the whole thing as a regular standard unboxing and got to the end and realized had no microphone. Microphone was dead. There you go. So I was not about to put it all back in the box just to unbox it again. So here we go. Here we have it. And we're going to do something a little different. All right. So second thing, let me tell you a story. I don't know what's going on with the delivery of diamond paintings to my house lately, but it's a struggle. A couple weeks ago, one was delivered to the neighbor's house next door. I had to go over there and retrieve it out of their driveway because they weren't home before it got rained on. And yesterday, this one came. So this one, that was UPS the other day, last week. And this one is delivered by On Track. If you know On Track, I don't know if they're part-time people, but they're definitely people who deliver with their own vehicles. They have no delivery vehicles. So I've had things delivered by a construction truck once. Yesterday it was a SUV. I hear it pull in the driveway and I know it's here and I know what it is. I know what's being delivered and I'm waiting patiently for about 5 minutes. And I can hear the music out there, boom, 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 you know? And I'm like, what is going on? What is going on? I finally go out on the front porch. I step out there. And here's the guy. And he's standing on the opposite side of the car. So I can't really see him, but he's between the doors that are open. And he's just standing there, standing there, and standing there. And I'm like, what in the world? And then I realized he's on the phone. And I can hear him saying things like he's telling him my address, like multiple times told him my address. And I can't get it to scan. I can't get it to scan. No, I'm here. I'm at that address. I'm at blah, 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 blah. No, the lady's on the porch. She's waiting for it. I'm like, what in the world? Okay, you can't get it to scan. Okay, fine. So he finally walks towards the porch with the box. And he's still on the phone. He still has the phone in his hand. And he's still talking. And he hands me the box. I'm like, it's okay. And he goes, it's fine. Take it. I'll figure it out. I'm like, what in the world? And then I go to do the unboxing and I'm like, I messed that up because I have no microphone. Okay. Okay. Here we go. We're going to play a little game. And my friend Lori used to play this little game and it was kind of fun. I'm not playing it like Lori did, but you know, Lori, we miss you doing the little game, the little, what is this painting kind of situation. Okay. First of all, first thing I have to say about it is when I saw this come out, I looked at Dale and said, I have to get that. He looked at it and he said, I guess you do. There you go. All right. Okay. Next thing I want to talk about is the box. Okay. I watched the Rumi Mill and she's a crocheter, but she has taken up diamond painting and she is diamond painting like nobody's business. And the other day I watched a video and she was showing her diamond paintings that she had done recently, all 25 of them. Okay, not 25, but it was a lot. Okay, a lot. And she's like, I'll tell you, there's a couple of things that I can't deal with when I watch somebody's video. Somebody tell me about a box. Don't tell me about the box. I can see the box. Why do you need to explain the box to me? So Cindy, look at the box. Is that good enough? She also can't stand somebody going over the toolkit, item by item by item. Okay? We got a toolkit. We got pens. We got multi-placers. We got wax. We got a tray. In our defense, there are a lot of people out there who have never seen this before. Okay? They've never seen a toolkit to know that it's got 2 pens and 1 special with a plastic tip for ABs. Or we got multi-placers. Some people don't even know what this thing's for. That's why I put it in there. It's a divider. Divides your tray. Okay? So in our defense, there are people who don't know what they are, have never seen a toolkit, don't know what it looks like coming from Dreamer Designs. So that's why we show them. Okay? There you go. Anyhow, was that quick enough for you, Cindy? I hope so. I hope you watch this video, Cindy. I might let you know you got to watch it. Okay. Next. Nice canvas. Soft. Crinkly. Not non-crinkly, but we got the crimped edges. Okay. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It is an 80 by 60. It is square drills. Okay. Let me show you the colors. I'm just going to show you the colors. All 70 of them on their little stickers ready to put on your containers, however you kit up. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs and 1, 2, 3 Dreamer Dusts. That is their dust drill. Like fairy dust. You know, we can't say fairy dust with everybody. You know how that goes. All right. So what else should I tell you about it before I show you like the drills? I've been waiting for something like this. I have been waiting for something like this. Okay? Got any clues yet? Had to have it. Dale approved. Lots of colors. You saw the colors. You're going to see some more colors. Here we go. Let me show you some more colors. I love that Dreamer Designs has theirs in order. They're in order of the canvas. Makes them super easy to get up. Okay, I'm just going to lay these out here for a minute so you can kind of get a sense of what colors we're working with. Okay, browns and yellows and oranges and tans. Keep paying attention to this, folks. Keep paying attention. These drills are a real clue, I think. More orangey. This is like a neon orange right here. I'm like, ooh, that is bright, 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 bright. Okay, paying attention. What do we got? We got some more pretty colors. I call those the pretty colors. Blues, purples. More tanny orange colors. I keep saying that. Tannish orange colors. Light brown. Some greens, pinks. Rusty color. Okay, got that. What else? Some more of that orangey tan color. A little peachy color. And here's the pretty colors. The fun, pretty colors. The blues, the purples, the pinks. Okay? And then we have some more of that orangey tan color. And then more pretty colors. Okay? Real pretty color there. Love that one. Okay? There's the main colors. We're about to get into the specials. Here's the special colors. They're coming right now. We got a few more orangey colors. A couple more orangey colors. And then we get into the fun colors. Like I said, we got a light purple AB, a pink AB, a dark purple, 2 bags of this orange AB, and 2 bags of the other orange AB. Okay? There's our fun colors. Then we have 2 bags of pink, 3 bags of this orange dust drill, the Dreamer Dust, 1 bag of red, and 1 bag of white. Those are our Dreamer Dusts right there at the end. Any clues yet? Any clues yet? Any idea what we got going on here? Well, let's keep these aside. I've already looked at this painting. I actually looked at it twice because I paused and looked at the painting to find where the special drills went. And then I showed them to you. So this will be the 3rd time. Okay. All right. Let's get these out of the way. Pretty, right? Any idea? Oh, and it is a very recent release. Very recent release. Got it yet? Some of you might know. Some of you know me well. You would know what might be Dale approved and what might be a recent release from Dreamer Designs. It looks like this. Is that helping you out at all? Any clues there? Any clues there? Anything yet? It doesn't look like much, does it? It really doesn't look like much. Okay, let me just show you. Ta-da! It's Sunny Boy. I had to have him. Had to have him. That is my kitty cat. That is my mischievous little orange boy. If you know about orange cats, you know about orange cats. He's outside right now. That's how I'm able to record this without him being right in the middle of this whole thing. But look, that is a big Sunny, isn't it? Isn't he cute? So this is all Afghan. Crocheted. He's called Crochet Kitty by Michael David Ward. Crocheted Kitty. It's about time. That's all I got. It's about time that we had some crochet content in our diamond painting, right? They've had a couple. They had one that was really, really cute and never came back, at another company. But knitting, they have knitting all the time. Today has been just a struggle. You would not believe it. You would not believe how hard it has been just to make this one video. My phone died. Yep, my phone died. I was getting ready to show you where the special drills went, and my phone died. And then I hit a button to try to make it not go jerky, and then it wouldn't focus at all. Okay, I give. I surrender. Let's just finish this up and be out of here. Okay, I'm happy to say that the cat does not have a bunch of shiny stuff on him. He does have this white fairy dust. See, there it jumps. Okay, I can't win. It's on his paw and in his face right here, and there's some that's doing the whiskers and stuff up that way. Okay, but that's it. All right, now let's talk about these two, the red AB and the darker pink AB. Those are in these areas like this where it looks a little darker, like here and here and down in here, a little bit over there. Okay, making the darker pinkish colors. Got it? Darker pinkish colors. This orangey color right here, this is in the darker red places. So the darker red, no, it's not. It's just in here. It's in the middle colors, in the middle tones. Okay, it's there. Then we have the two oranges. There's two different shades of orange. There's a lighter and there's a darker. And that shows up in all of these orange spots, like this and like this and like here. Okay, got it? Got it. Okay. Then we have a light pink AB. Remember the light pink AB? And you can see where this is lighter right here. It's in there, and it's in there, and it's over there. Okay, that's where the light pink shows up. And of course, the purples, there's two purples. They're in here. And there's a little bit that's right up here. So, but pretty much everywhere on here is going to have something, except blue. There is no special drill for the blue areas. No special drills there. But the oranges, the reds, the pinks, the purples, they've got them. Okay? All right, I'm going to go now because this has just been a struggle and a half. Anything that could go wrong has gone wrong. And I'm ready to pack this thing up, put it away, and just go, I don't know, do what? Go hang my head somewhere in shame that this has just been so pitiful. Anyhow, I hope I tried to at least make it fun. All the goofs, all the mistakes, all the problems. Maybe it was fun. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go. Come back if you'd like. You know, it is what it is. Okay, I'll see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.